In this video, I'm going to tell you how much money you can make with the SaleHoo affiliate program. Now, SaleHoo is a popular platform for e-commerce people. So if you're doing drop shipping or Amazon FBA or something like that, it gives you access to suppliers that are used by the top sellers in the world. So you can find different products and grow your business and make a lot of money. So how much can you actually make if you become an affiliate and promote this software to your audience? I'm going to show you that in this video. Make sure you watch all the way to the end because I also have a couple of interesting surprises for you later in the video. Now let's look at their affiliate program together. So this is their affiliate page, and you have to fill out this form and submit it, and if you get approved, then you can start making money. Now you do have to have a ClickBank account. So ClickBank is a really popular affiliate marketing platform, and this is the one that they use. So if you don't already have one, you can go to Google, just type ClickBank and then sign up and make your account. And once you do that, you can submit this and hopefully you get approved. Now you can actually make a lot of money. So let's see how much commission you can make. They tell you here that you can earn up to $500 a year for every sale, but you can make even more than that. So they have different products here. They have the directory, they have the dropship, and they have educate. And so each one of them, you can earn 50% commission per year. And then you can actually go even higher if you have more and more sales. So if you have 200 sales in any 60-day period, you get platinum status and you can start making 60%. And then if you get 500 in a 60-day period, then you can get 70% commissions. So that's a crazy amount of money that you can start making. If we look at how it works, you have to sign up and you can start making money. You can easily make over $500 annually per sale, and they will pay you twice a month. So it's a very lucrative program if you're in the drop shipping or just e-commerce space in general and you want to promote a product that would be useful to your audience. Then SaleHoo can definitely make you a lot of money as an affiliate, and it's also a trusted product. So definitely a great affiliate program. Now I feel like most people, you probably don't think you can actually make money from this unless you're like a huge influencer like Mr. Beast with like hundreds of millions of followers and subscribers, or you have to have super viral videos that get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views to make real money from this. But is that really true?
Hell no! No!
I actually used a really unique strategy to set myself up with recurring commissions without creating any viral videos or even showing my face. So let me show you some actual proof so you can better understand what I mean. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very, very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.